Beginner's Guitar for Kids with Winden and Squiggy. Written by Corey Claus. Illustrations by Pamela Hodges. Part 1. Winden buys a guitar. Hi, I'm Winden, and this is my best friend Squiggy. I like to pretend I'm a bear. Sometimes I pretend I am a tree. But my favorite is pretending to be a rock star. But first I need a guitar, not a broom. Will you help me pick out a guitar? Hi, I'm Winden. What's your name? I'm Mr. Tom. Mr. Tom, what size guitar is right for me? Is this a good size, Mr. Tom? No, it is too big for you. What about this one? One size guitar does not fit all. Some are too big, some are too small. Is this my size, Mr. Tom? Yes, Winden, this one is your size. Mr. Tom, how do I hold my guitar? Asked Winden. Put your left hand on the neck, hug the guitar to your body with the strings facing out, said Mr. Tom. Winden said, I love it, this sounds great. Thank you for helping me pick out my guitar, Mr. Tom. Part 2. Winden takes guitar lessons. Lesson number 1. The parts of the guitar. The head, the tuning pegs, the neck, the frets, the strings, and the body. Lesson number 2. Number the fingers. T is for thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lesson number 3. Number the frets. A fret is the thin piece of metal on the neck of the guitar. Lesson number 4. Number the strings. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lesson number 5. Name the strings. E, A, D, G, B, E. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Before you play, let's tune your guitar. We just learned the names of the strings. The letter of each string is the name of a note. Each string plays a note. The strings on your guitar are tuned to the notes E, A, D, G, B, and E on a piano. Getting the feel for your guitar. Now that we introduced the names of the strings, let's play them and make some noise. Open strings. When we play a string without pressing down on the string with our left hand on the neck, it is called an open string. Just remember, open hand, open strings. After practicing the alternate picking exercise, Winden learned how to play a note. When she could play a note, she tried the 3-note exercise. Then Winden learned reading music, where she learned about notes, she learned about rests, she learned what a staff was, the treble clef. She learned about bar lines, about a time signature. Then Winden learned an exercise to learn to strum. Finally, Winden learned chords, and so many chords that she knows how to improvise. Reading together was lots of fun. Thank you. Let me know what you thought of this story in the comments below. Give me a like and don't forget to hit subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at Ms.Carmina Official. See you again soon. Bye.